All right, let's talk about making money online. We're going to break down a super simple, clear roadmap that anyone can follow. Seriously, even if you feel like you have zero tech skills. All you really need is a good plan, and that's exactly what we're going to build together today. Let's get right into it.
I mean, who hasn't had this dream, right? The freedom, the flexibility, it's a powerful idea. But the big question, the one that always trips people up, is how do you actually get started? And if you've ever just felt completely lost, just drowning in a sea of different apps and platforms and all this tech jargon, you are definitely not alone. It's probably the #1 reason people just give up before they even really begin. But we're going to fix that right now.
So here's the game plan. We'll start by figuring out your why. Then I'm going to walk you through something called the Smart 360 Roadmap and its 3 core pillars. By the end of this, you'll see exactly how to put it all together to launch and grow your own thing. Let's do this.
Okay, before we get into any of the how-to stuff, we have to lock in your why. Honestly, this is the foundation for everything else that comes after.
So what is it that's really driving you? Is it about getting out of debt? Is it spending more time with your family? Or maybe it's that dream of being able to work from a laptop on a beach somewhere. You've got to pinpoint this because your why is the fuel that's going to keep you going when you hit those inevitable bumps in the road.
And now for the playbook itself. This is where we take that feeling of being completely overwhelmed and we replace it with a clear, step-by-step path forward.
The Smart 360 Roadmap is designed to be your simple guide. It's not about learning 100 different things all at once. Nope, it's about focusing on just 3 key areas that work together to build your online business.
And here they are. It's this simple. First, you connect with people using social media. Second, you work smarter, not harder, by using AI. And third, you create a place to actually make sales, which we're going to call your storefront. That's the whole framework. So, let's break down that first pillar.
Pillar #1 is all about one thing, connection. This is your starting point for finding the people out there who actually need what you have to offer. Just think of social media as like the modern-day town square. It's a place where you can reach people from literally all over the globe, share what you're passionate about, and start to build a little community of people who trust you and are actually interested in what you have to say.
And here's the key. You do not need to be everywhere at once. Just pick one and own it. If you want to build a tight-knit community, Facebook groups are amazing. If what you have is really visual, Instagram is your best friend. And if you're good with video, well, TikTok and YouTube are where it's at. Just pick the one that feels right for you and get started.
Okay, on to pillar 2. This is where we get a massive boost in efficiency, and you absolutely do not need to be a tech genius for this part.
You know that feeling, right? Staring at a blank page, the cursor just blinking at you, total writer's block, or the thought of trying to design a decent-looking graphic from scratch just makes you want to quit. Yeah, that's a super common roadblock. Well, here's the solution, and don't let the term AI scare you. It's not some big complex thing. Just think of it as your own personal assistant. One that's ready to help you with all the creative stuff, 24/7.
And these tools are so easy to use. Need ideas for your next post? Boom, just ask ChatGPT. Need a quick, professional-looking graphic? Canva's AI can whip one up in seconds. Need to write an email that actually sells? Tools like Copy.ai can do all the heavy lifting for you. This is how you work smarter.
Okay, so you've connected with an audience and you're creating great content way more easily. Now for the final, crucial piece. How do you actually turn all that presence into profit?
This is simply where the transaction happens. A sales platform is just your digital cash register and your display case all rolled in one. It's your professional little spot on the internet to do business.
A really good storefront does 2 things incredibly well. First, it showcases whatever you're offering in a clean, professional way. And second, it makes it super simple and totally secure for a customer to pull out their credit card and pay you. That's it. And there are great platforms for whatever you need. Selling physical products, Shopify or Etsy are fantastic. Selling a service or maybe a digital course, a tool like Systeme.io is perfect for that. And for staying in touch with all your customers, an email platform like MailChimp is an absolute must-have.
So now we have our 3 pillars. Let's put this puzzle together and see how they work in a simple, repeatable plan that you can use right away.
Now, I really want you to focus on that word mini. A launch does not have to be this giant, stressful, overwhelming event. Not at all. It's just a focused promotion where you bring these 3 pillars together to make your first sales.
This is the entire system in action.
Step 1, you get on social media and you announce your offer. Step 2, you use your AI assistant to create all the cool posts and graphics you need. And step 3, you send everybody to your storefront to actually buy it. That's it. It's a simple cycle you can just repeat over and over again.
And as you go, adopting this mindset is absolutely crucial. This isn't just a one-time project. It's a journey. It's about always learning and improving. Say this to yourself every single day. I'm serious. It really makes a huge difference.
So, what's really stopping you? This quote, it says it all. You've got the roadmap now. The tools are out there, and they're easier than ever to use. The only thing standing in your way is that little voice of doubt in your head. So the real question is, what's the very first small step you're going to take today to prove it wrong?